All right, we're going in with some 8812. Now, you can use 8020. We'll get this browned up. Now we got our meat where we want it to be. Hey, it's completely brown. You can see what I like right here. This is the texture that I'm looking for in my chili. That right there is perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain off this excess grease, and then we'll meet you at the crock pot. Hey, I left some of the grease in there. So that's about 2 tablespoons worth of grease left in there. Maybe a little bit more, but that's perfectly fine. We need that for flavor. Now we're gonna add in our seasoning, and this is garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and pepper. Now you can get the list of ingredients on my website, cookingwithmanualfocus.com. Hey, we got some chili powder, and then we got some sugar. You can go brown sugar if you like. I got some tomato paste and tomato sauce. And then we're going in with a little bit of beef broth. And we'll start off with about a half a cup's worth, and we can add more if we need it. So we'll get everything mixed in. I gotta add the rest of my tomato sauce. Hey, you can put it on the low setting and let it simmer. Let these flavors get to where they're starting to mesh with that ground beef, and that ground beef starts soaking up all those spices, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna add a little bit of yellow mustard. I'm gonna go in with about a tablespoon of that, and we're gonna add about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, and then we're gonna add some Lawry's seasoning salt, and you want to salt this to taste. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of my baptized in Cajun seasoning. Give it a nice little flavor profile. And then once you get to the step right here, you want to make sure you get a taste, no double dipping, and then see if you need to adjust your seasonings if you like. All right, so check this out right here. Yes, sir, look at that. And we're gonna stir this in. Hey, now hit me in the comments what you like to do with your dogs. You like to put the mustard inside, or you like to put it on top after? I like to put mine on top after. And then hit me in the comments what you like to put on your hot dog. Me, hey, I like mustard. I might put a little ketchup. I know some people don't like ketchup, but I gotta have the onions on there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check that out right there. A nice hot dog. Top it however you like it. Hey, you in the game. Yes, sir.